So I've got the car in pieces. I've got the driver, the steering wheel, which looks like it's loose. So I think I have to glue this back. I've got the base. It was a bit difficult to take it off, but it's off, and I took off the wheels already, which wasn't too difficult, and I'm going to paint this to a different color. So these are the wheels David don't want back. I've got the windscreen, which is pretty good. I think I just need a little bit polish. And I've got the body. So I can start now. This is going to the paint stripper, and I will work on the other bits. And as I said, I need to figure how can I do the bumpers. I've got the Volkswagen Beetle finished, so let's see what I've done. I've done a little bit detailing inside the interior, and I painted it beige. David said his grandfather's car was black inside, but I was thinking, let's do a lighter color. I swapped the wheels to this one, and I put them into position already. And I created the bumpers as well. So we got bumpers now, and I painted the bottom grey. The windscreen I haven't done much with. It was pretty good. So I just cleaned it a little bit and polished it up. With the bodies, I've done the usual detailing, the door handles, the indicators, the lights, and the grills on the car, tail lights, and I've got the stickers from Stuart. and this was David's grandfather's registration plate. So the car is now finished. We just need to put it together, so let's do it. So guys, the Beetle is finished and I'm really happy with the result. I love these wheels on the car, and it's coming from red. So this was David's requirement, the green color. So I hope that he's gonna be happy with this car, and he will display it along the with the Mini. So my projects for David's are finished now, and I hope that he's going to enjoy his new cars. And thank you very much for the other cars he sent me. And if you guys like this restoration project, please give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you think of this restoration. And thank you very much for all my subscribers to watching the video. Cheers guys, take care, bye bye.